Welcome guys to Poorva and Saathvi's challenges. So today basically we'll be doing a slime challenge.
Without borax.
Yeah, so we can use glue and other ingredients.
Yeah.
So my friend has took glue, water and orange paint. Well, I have took glue, salt,
I don't know why
glue, paint and hand wash. I know this is kind of weird, but I'm sure it's gonna work. I hope. So let's get started. Okay guys, so we've got our bowls. So this is actually glass. So yeah, let's get started. So alright, let's just get started. I'm just using the white.
Hey, that's I love it. Okay, use this then.
It's not. Come on.
It at least came though.
Oh God.
Oh God. Is this gonna ever come?
That's blocked.
Or then how will I put it?
This is literally empty, guys. I don't know why I went took it.
Just put it like this. Then we both will use the same though.
Just look at that amazing. Ooh, okay.
Okay.
Oh
now it's
God,
my
oh
turn.
God.
My turn.
Okay. I'll just start off with the stick.
Hey, you're not waiting for me.
Why should I wait for you? Okay, there we go.
Oops.
You guys can see this yellow glue now. Okay. So, as you guys know, I'm using
so
salt.
Cool. So first I'll use, by the way, I'll just
sprinkle
mix
some
a bit.
salt. And that's a bit too much.
Okay, that's so
Okay.
liquidy.
Oh, actually it's kind of working, guys. I can't believe it's working. Oh my God. So what I actually used is pink salt.
Pink salt. Why did you even use pink salt?
And now for the hand wash. Okay, just 2 squirts.
Squirt.
Okay, I don't know.
That's a little weird.
I mean, it's actually gooey and gross.
That's why I didn't choose those. Mine's a bit liquidy right now.
Okay, now to add my color.
How do we even do glue without borax?
Oh God.
I'll add my paint too. Ugh.
Oh wow, look at that amazing color, guys. Oh wow. Oh, I just can't I can't just stop praising this. Just look at this. It's so amazing. Wow. But the gooey is not good. It's so gunky.
Wow, that's so cool.
Whoa. You know what? I'm taking a bit of water from
Hey, no. That's unfair. That's unfair. No.
Hey, we can share, okay?
Okay then.
Okay. Ooh, I used a lot of water. This is gonna
Since you took mine, I can use yours.
Okay. I hope.
I'll take the hand wash a bit.
I don't know if she's just taking my pants, but
What? You took mine.
Okay, fine.
Now that's becoming gooey.
I'll just add a bit more salt because that it was actually working.
You're kind of wasting salt.
I know, but it's all for a good cause.
What?
Okay. I know. I hope the slime doesn't melt after a few days because I just hate when slimes melt.
Wow.
It's so gross.
It's so cool.
Okay, guys, so it's actually thickening. This actually improvement. This is the first time I'm doing whoa, look at that. It just thickened so much.
But it's so gross.
I mean,
Ew.
I can just feel all those salt bits.
Show me. Ew, that's so gross. It's so watery too.
Hers is so watery. Why does like a salt gum?
It's like bubble gum.
Yeah, actually it is. The texture is kind of like bubble gum. Wow, I'm so
Wee, that's so
okay,
cool.
I'll just add a bit of soap. A lot.
Yes.
Okay.
I think. Ew, that's so gross.
Okay.
It's solid.
At least it kind of worked, right?
Kinda.
Okay, I'll just get a bowl and just pour the excess liquid.
Excess liquid.
Ooh, gross.
I know it's so gross. It's so gross there.
So, yeah. I took out the excess liquid. It fitted. And, yeah.
It's hard and thick. And mine is
This is-
liquidy gross.
This is my slime. I don't know if you can see it properly, but
Ugh.
it is gross.
Serious.
She's having a hard time there. Okay.
Can I use some?
No.
Excuse me. Please.
Oh God. What's wrong with this?
Just pour it.
Okay.
Can I please use some?
What?
Hand wash.
Fine.
Thank you.
I'll just add a bit of water to dilute it.
Dilute? What's dilute?
Okay.
Not dilute.
Okay, whatever. Just don't tell. She's
Oh
gonna
my
get
God.
mad.
Excuse me. That's so cool.
Is that cool for you? My
Mhm.
God.
And looks so. But mine is real liquid.
I'm just gonna get gloves to pick this because I don't want to touch this with my bare hands.
It's
Okay,
not
guys.
working.
I got the gloves.
Two?
Yeah.
Two.
I have 2 hands.
It looks like two.
Okay.
It's so liquid. It's not working.
Okay, now the other hand.
It's so gross.
Oh.
It's so sticky. It's,
Ugh. It's like I'm a pro scientist. Ick. Okay.
It's-
so.
It's so hard.
I know, right?
It's not even
Just
slime.
look at this, guys. Just look at this.
It's not even slime. If we put borax, it will certainly work.
Ugh, I can't even
And
break it.
detergent.
Ugh,
Oh,
I can't even break it, guys. Can you believe it?
Mine is so liquid, guys. I know. What do I do to it?
Ick.
I just use some water.
Just gonna mix it.
You can use some water if you want.
No thanks. It's not gonna help. Oh God, I can't even tear it.
Ew. That's
Oh
so
God,
cool.
I'm so glad I didn't get this on my hands. So glad. I'll just take this and
Ew.
pour it in. I know it's gross. Just gotta move this.
I think it's gonna work if I put some paint.
So I'm just gonna take this out. Yeah. Ew. Ew.
Seriously, that's so gross.
Okay, now I got a bit more, so yeah. Can you please help me opening that?
This thing?
Yeah. I'm very close. Yeah, just pour it. Okay, more. Yeah, that's enough. That's enough. Oh God. I'll just take my stick and mix it.
You could have used this side. Why are you? It's not gonna work.
I'm just trying my best.
Okay, I'm gonna put all the water in. It's gonna dilute.
Probably if I add a bit more glue. Oh, that's a lot. That's so much glue.
You're so fun.
Okay, so
It's transforming into bubbles.
okay, just gonna mix it with my hand.
It's more liquidy.
Oh, God.
Scientist. I'm gonna just pour some in.
Oh
Just-
my God. This is
Just can you give me this
so
container?
Yeah. Oh wait, guys. I think I formed slime. Wait, guys, I did it. I formed a mini slime. Look at this.
Is
found-
that slime
Yeah,
to you?
it's stretchy. So yeah, consider it as a win.
And mine is so.
Okay. Well, yeah. This thing is so rock hard, like rock salt. It's so rubbery, I just can't break it.
As I said, that's not considered as slime.
No, I made a mini one. I just put it in here. I can't pick it up. I just showed you, and it was even stretchy.
And now,
Oh God. Fine, let me just remove these gloves. Okay.
this was such a tough challenge.
But I won.
Hey, how?
So guys, we cleaned up everything and now we're doing slimes with borax. So yeah, this is our glue.
Hey, you are getting it first.
Whatever.
Give it. My turn.
Wait!
Ugh.
Here's our borax, so
We each get equal borax.
yep. Oh, I totally forgot to add the color first.
Oh, great.
Come on, color. I believe in you. There we go.
Why did you tell like that? That you believe in color?
I mean, it was not coming. I just want to give it some positive thinking. Alright. Just go
Come
and sit
on.
down.
Ugh. First, the color has to mix well.
Guys, look at this. I just made slime so quickly. Just look at this amazing glory.
Blink, blink. Wow, that's so cool.
So actually I'm not able to guess the color because of the lighting. You can see the blue lighting. And you can see this. So if you do want this, I'll just bring it a bit closer so you guys can see.
It's flashing.
You can get yourself the same thing in Amazon.
It's already so... Did you even use borax?
Yeah, I did. Okay.
Only a drop? It's already transforming, guys. It's so
Duh.
quick.
Don't you know the
Magic of borax?
Yeah. Okay, I can touch it now.
You didn't even barely use all the borax.
I actually need. Yep, and just use all of it. There we go. Just I'm gonna mix it up.
Mix, mix. Mix, mix. Okay, great. We're doing the same color as we did last time.
Look at this. Bad boy.
Bad boy.
Alright guys, I just washed my hands here. Now I'm just using the stick, not my hands.
I'm gonna
So
use some
I am
more
gonna put it
borax.
on the table. I'm just gonna do this so you guys can see. Yep.
Actually, it's kind of transforming.
Do I have any borax left? I guess I just have a drop or two.
That's it. I can spare
I just
some.
add a bit of glue. Just a bit. This glue is not even coming.
Oh,
You know what?
Can
I'm
I
not
ask-
using glue.
I'm gonna use some. Actually,
Okay. So mine is kind of slime. I mean, it is a bit sticky.
of course. Oh, mine is too geeky.
Okay, it's kind of thickening. Just need to gunk it in some borax. Yeah. Just bathe it in the borax, just like hell. Sorry to say that.
What? What did you just say? Oh my
Whoa.
God! Hey, you're mixing it.
Ick.
You're
That's
mixing
so
it.
gross.
You're mixing
Just
it.
look at that. It's like she's like fire and I'm like ice.
Hey, you're mixing it.
Just want to make her a bit mad. Get it? Bit mad.
Seriously, I don't like it.
Alright.
Hey, you didn't unpause it.
Whatever. I just made my own slime, guys. So yeah.
It doesn't mean that you won.
Girl, this is my borax.
Hey,
This is amazing.
of course it is.
It's actually great. I feel like adding some sparkle to it, like that.
You have?
But sadly, I don't.
You can use the sparkles.
What?
The tattoo sparkles.
Yeah, but no.
Can I use?
Guys, look at this amazing slime.
With borax.
Yeah. I mean, it's not so stretchy, but it is bouncy and fun to play with.
Okay, it's transforming. It's
At
collecting.
the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a rose out of Play-Doh. Yeah.
I think
So-
everybody knows how to.
I mean, it's an easy way. I hope you guys can learn out of it. Or if you know, it's good.
Doesn't make sense.
Okay. Looks like our friend is struggling a bit.
No, I'm actually kinda. It's working.
It's not even sticking, guys. It's so amazing. Okay.
Okay, it's not struggling.
Just look at the bounce. Okay, it didn't bounce, but it just... Wait. Oh my god, it just cleans the table.
What?
Whoa.
But you're making it dirty.
Whatever.
Okay, now the last of my borax. Little drop.
If this slime's not gonna work, she has to buy me a new borax.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Okay, I think actually it's kind of working.
Okay, so yeah. I'm just gonna store this bad boy and yeah, you can just sit in the center until I come.
Wow.
Whoa, did it just work? It's so sticky! That clearly did work.
Oh yeah. That's actually cool.
I hope you didn't do some nonsense.
What nonsense?
Whatever.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we're just gonna clean up this mess. Okay, so as you don't put it, just go put that slime somewhere and wash your hands.
I just
Don't put it in the table, lift it
I'm
up
not.
and put it. Sorry about that, guys. So, yeah. So, this is red clay, as you guys can see. It does look like orange because of the lighting. Neon orange. Get it? Neon orange. Why are you back? Whatever. Okay, I'm just playing with it just to make it softer. Okay guys, so first thing you gotta do is make it into a circle. Okay, and she's back. Don't touch anything.
Fine.
Okay, she's back, and yeah, you just gotta press it just to make it a circle. You need a scale. Can you go with the scale from my
Fine.
room? Okay, just gotta make it into a perfect circle. Actually need it really thin. Thick's not gonna work.
two.
So I'm just gonna take half of this. Why two?
I can show you guys though.
She doesn't know.
No, not how to make it. I can show from here.
What will you ever show?
I mean, it will be a
So-
better view.
We need it as thin as possible. Okay. So yeah, we need to cut it into small pieces. Okay, just some commotion. It's just friends problem. Okay, just
I don't like a pizza.
no. Okay, just cut it like this. This is the first time I'm trying this out, so you just gotta layer it like this.
I know this. Layer the other one.
And okay, sorry about that, guys. So
Layer that again.
yeah. So yeah, now
Roll
okay. So basically, this is how you should layer it.
I can show it to you guys.
No, she can't.
I can.
Okay, now I don't know where to roll it from. Okay, probably no, not from there. Okay. From the top, you just need to roll it and roll it and roll it and roll it. Oh, guys, it's actually kind of working. And just
Slice.
need to cut it into half. Okay.
So your 2 roses are done.
Okay. Just gotta shape it and just gotta do this.
Easy peasy.
Oh,
I can do that.
no, it's okay. It's okay.
Please.
No.
Please. Wow, so beautiful.
And these are your 2 roses. So you can just like stick them anywhere, like for example,
On the lid, on the scale.
okay, on the scale.
Ah! I don't know why I did like that.
Okay,
Tick,
so
tick,
guys,
tick.
check this out. I can't believe it's actually sticking. Just look at this. Okay, so I know the clay is looking orange, but it's actually red.
No.
Sorry again, guys. So yeah. Now I'm trying to make a really big rose. Really big rose. She came back again.
You thought I'd never come back again.
You were right there. Okay. Just
Don't
do
get
this.
up.
Okay, fine.
Yes,
Just
just
go.
go to the rest.
I think I'm just gonna make the biggest rose in the world.
Nah.
Out of clay.
Hey, it's still up there.
So guys, if you do like the roses, please send a comment down below. And if you do make this, be sure to send us the picture.
Here it's, you need to do like this.
Okay. I'm just gonna try making it many pieces, not just 4. This is again kind of experimenting challenge.
What? Are you gonna really do so much?
Okay, just these.
What? I think you're gonna do the biggest rose in the whole world.
I hope it's gonna be fancy, but
How?
I don't know. I'm just
Oh
trying
yeah,
to.
you'll layer it again and again and again and again and again and again.
All right, now be quiet.
Oh, that's so cool, guys. It's the thinnest
It's
rose.
like I'm layering pizza on top of pizza.
Yeah, that's so cool. And the slices are just like that.
Okay. Oh
3 more
god,
pieces.
these are a lot of slices.
Lot and lot and lot.
Some are just sticking to the table and it's... Oh god. There we go. And the last piece. This is so long.
It should look like that.
Okay.
So cool, guys.
Now,
Roll from the first. Wow! I think it's not gonna be the longest rose, but it's gonna be the biggest. It's so fancy. Show me.
just a second.
Wow, that's so cool, guys. I think if you do six times, it will be the best rose ever. Wow.
Just gonna do this.
Guys,
Look at it.
It's
Look at
so
this
cool.
amazing thing.
Rose.
Be sure to try this at home, guys. You're gonna love it.
Then where will they try it? Slice of pizza. Slice of pizza.
Slice of
rose.
Yeah, alright.
Slice of pizza rose. Oh yeah. It's so bad now.
Guys, look at this. Just
It's like a heart, human heart.
no, wait, it's like a human brain.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's like a mirror.
Okay, it's not that great now.
But at least give me here. Hey! No! Why did you even do like that so?
She's always shocked when I do this to roses.
It's so cool.
I mean, I know it's cool. I can do it
No.
1,000 times. It's
so
not like the
cool.
rarest thing happened on the planet or universe.
It's so cool.
Okay.
Hey! So done with that thingy.
So guys, this is the end of the video. Be sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below after you try this. And yeah, as I told, be sure to send a picture if you try this clay rose out. So please subscribe to our channel and meet you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.